Hello, this is Mrs. Robinson checking in to review an assignment on Thursday of week 2. You all were assigned the lesson of mean, median, and mode. I want to be sure that everyone understands correctly how to get the mean, the median, and the mode from a given data set. So I am going to show you guys that by reviewing this assessment that you were supposed to have completed. The first question is, what is the median of the following data set? And then it gives you the data set. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are the numbers that we're working with. So I'm going to move over to my whiteboard, and we're working on the median first for this first question. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And to find the median, you first have to put all of the numbers in your data set in order from least to greatest. These numbers are already in order. So step 1 is to put the numbers in order. Step 2 is to find the number that falls in the middle. And out of this data set, the number that falls in the middle is 6. So if I let's grab a pencil. And if we mark out one number on each side and then do that process again, then we would end up with 6 being the only number that is left. That's how we know that 6 is the median. Now, if you have an even number in your data set, let's say that we had another number added on, like 11 here, so that would put 6 and 8 in the middle. You would find the average or the mean of 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 divided by 2 would be your median. Let's go on to number 2. What is the mean of the following data set? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go back to our board. Now we have to find the mean. Let me do a text box. So to find the mean, we'll have to do 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So we'll add all of our numbers together, and that equals 30. Now we have to divide by the total numbers that we had in the data set. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So now we'll do 30 divided by 5. And that equals 6. So our mean is 6 for this data set. And the last question is, what is the mode of the following data set? And I have our data set here. The mode will be the number that is repeated the most times. So 2 is repeated twice, 4 is only there one time, 6 is only there one time, 8 is there 4 times, and 10 is there twice. So the number that appears the most number of times is 8. So the mode would be 8. And that's it for the answers to this assignment. Just to review, the median is the number in the middle. That's why we call the grass that's in the middle of a road the median. Median means middle. The mode is the number that is repeated the most. Mode, most, mode, most. They start off with the same 2 numbers is one way that you can remember it. And the mean is the same thing as the average. So if you're more familiar with how to calculate an average, that can help. Otherwise, you will have to learn that you have to add all of the numbers together, then divide by how many numbers you had in the data set. So if we add all these numbers together, we get 30, and then we would have to divide by 5 because there are 5 numbers in this data set, and we get 6. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me.